Oh, don't be tired, Sasha. We're sculpture hunting, and that takes work. Wait, what's that behind you? Who piled some wood up like that? Oh, there's a whole bunch of wood. Not the wood like you find at Home Depot, but the wood like that washes up on shore at the ocean. They call it driftwood. Sasha, I think we discovered a sculpture. Let's see. Is this just randomly put together, or is this supposed to be something? Let's walk around it and see. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What is that? What is that supposed to be? Sasha, what is that supposed to be? I think there might be a head on this. Okay, I'm gonna get close. I'm gonna get close to the head. What I think is the head. Oh, that's not wood at all. It's metal. It's made to look like wood. I think this is some sort of animal. What do you think? What animal do you think this is? I see a head. I see a tail. I see some legs. Let me see if I can count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. What has a head, a tail, 4 legs, and looks like this? I think it might be a horse. Here we come on our ponies, our ponies, our ponies. Here we come on our ponies. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stop a moment just to say, how do you do this sunny day? Then off we go. Here we come on our ponies, our ponies, our ponies. Here we come on our ponies. Whoa, whoa, whoa.